In front of me is iPad Pro 13 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app. Following that, you need to select or create a chat and tap on this plus at the bottom left corner of chat window. Now to take a photo and add it, select camera, take a pic, and to retake it, choose retake at the top left corner. To attach it, select done at the top right one. If you want to add photos that already exist on your device, select the same plus, hit Photos, and click on the chosen ones. When you're ready, hit Done at the top right corner of this little window. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!